Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to hide photo from gallery on Poco M7 Pro. Alright guys, so yeah, for those of you, if you guys have a super duper private photo that you want to hide, don't need to be worried guys, because you can hide it from the front of your gallery by creating another private album. And how to do that is very easy. So yeah, without any further ado, now let's get started to the tutorial on how to hide the photo from the gallery. Alright guys, so yeah, the first thing first that you have to do is, of course, now you can go to gallery on your cell phone first, like this. And then after that, now you can choose the photo that you want to hide, for example this one. And then after that, now you can click on this one. And then after that, now you can click add to album, and you can move it to another private album so that it will be hidden from your gallery. And if you want to know about your private photo, you can go to album and then swipe down and hold, and it will be heading to your private album. And then so yeah, here's your private photos. And here's the tutorial, and then thank you so much for watching. See you guys on the next video.